The wait is finally over! Hey guys! Rhythm Roger Book 2 by the best-selling author Himanshu Rai is finally out! Yoo-hoo! So, if you guys have seen me reviewing the first book in this series, then you already know how much I loved that book. And book 2 was no disappointment either. I just have so many things to tell you about this series, especially this book in particular. I just can't wait. So before I begin, let me remind you all to like, share and subscribe to my channel and ring the notification bell to get notified whenever I post a new video. So did you guys subscribe? Well, I trust you, you did it. So without any further ado, let's get on with it. Let's go! Let me start by talking a bit about the first book, which is Rhythm Roger, The Secrets of Electon, for those who haven't read it yet. So Rhythm is our protagonist. He is about 25 years old and he's a network design engineer in the human world. He knows absolutely nothing about Electon. You must be confused. What is Electon? Well, Heinrich Rudolf Hertz, a scientist who had discovered electromagnetic waves or electromagnetic radiations, the same day he had discovered a world called Electon. The same electromagnetic waves world which we can't see is Electon. If you still don't understand what Electon means, then well, you gotta read the book to know. So, Rhythm gets to know about Electon and he soon gets inside Electon. Don't ask me how, read the book to know. And he has to know that he's the son of Queen Analog. And it turns out that he's going to be the king of the Wii-slots in the future. So he has been invited to Electon to save the Wii-slots as dark forces were trying to take over Electon and he was the only hope for them. The second book, The Heat of Phantasmagoria, is started with Rhythm spending time with his uncle when he gets a letter from Mr. Noah to come back to Electon for Shebulib Day. I'm not going to tell you what Shebulib Day is because, well, I'm too lazy to tell you that. So yeah, you got to read this book to know. So Rhythm is really excited to meet his friends Cooper, Eva and Olivia in Electon. But he doesn't know the whole conspiracy against him. When he reaches Electon, all of his friends and the Wii-slots are going to Phantasmagoria to celebrate Shebulib Day. But Rhythm gets trapped inside Phantasmagoria and it's up to his friends to save him. But can they? This book is quite a roller coaster ride with a plethora of happenings. Rhythm Roger made my jaw drop and I'm sure it will make your jaw drop too. So what are you waiting for? Go and buy book 1 and of course book 2 right away and read it as soon as possible. So this book is like the best science fiction book I've ever read. I didn't like science fiction books before, but after reading the series, I'm starting to like them more. And this book is not just sci-fi. This series is science fiction and fantasy mix. A mix of fantasy and sci-fi, which is absolutely amazing. And a few more things that I liked about this book. So the illustrations made the book more engaging. And the cover of this book. It is one of the best book covers ever. Look at it, it's gorgeous and it's doing justice to the plot. And the ending was quite unexpected and riveting and it tells us that there is more to the story and that is just what I hate about this series. Not hate, that's a strong word. That is what I don't like about this series. The author is an expert at leaving cliffhangers, which makes me furious. I have to wait another 1 or 2 years for the third book in this series. That is so unfair. Rhythm Roger fans can feel me. there was just this one thing that could have been better. Like inside the book there were like a few typos which didn't make the book look very professional. So yeah, I urge the author to correct the typos, and yeah, that's it. Rest of the book is great. Oh, one more thing. I have to be honest, but I like the first book a bit more. I don't know why. I just did, and the first book is in my list of my 10 favorite books ever. And that's big coming from me because I've read like 5,000 plus books. So, Rhythm Roger Book 1 in my top 10 favorite books. The headlines. Woohoo! Let's go. So, I guess that's it about the book, and that's it about the series. That's it about Rhythm Roger. And I hope I urged you enough to go buy this book. It's totally worth your 300 rupees. And yeah, that's it for today's video. I'll see you guys soon in another video. Till then, happy reading and goodbye.